YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. Could be altcoins, meme coins, you name it. This video we're going to be checking out an altcoin with DeFi use case, right? This is all about DeFi and it has been absolutely crushing it, guys. I should have brought it to the channel a lot earlier because I did see it a bit earlier, so I should have brought it to the channel a lot earlier. But you know, you just never know with these projects, so sometimes it's like, what do I do? Do I fade? Do I let people know about it? And then boom, the one that you faded is the one that absolutely takes off. So yeah, we're gonna check it out now, see what it's all about for you guys, and yeah, we're gonna dive into it. As always though, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. In this video, we're checking out Lybra Finance, or LBR. Unleash the power of the LSD. So we already know what LSDs are, liquid staking derivatives, and the first interest bearing stablecoin APY 8.4% APY. So with LSDs, liquid staking derivatives, it is used for staked ETH, right? A lot of people can't afford ETH nodes, and we know ETH had its merge, so it's now ETH2 where you could stake your ETH, and Lybra LBR could help you do that with their stablecoin EUSD. $91 million there. EUSD yield here $208,000. That's why it's growing, because a lot of people are staking their Lybra. Step 1, deposit your ETH STETH as collateral, mint and borrow EUSD against your collateral, receive interest or spend. So you hold EUSD to receive interest APY 7.2% or use it in other DeFi pools. Why do you need EUSD? Stable and safe. Interest bearing. Holders of EUSD can expect to earn a base annual percentage yield of approximately 7.2%. This stable yield is attractive for investors seeking a steady income stream while maintaining exposure to the cryptocurrency market. Moreover, as the price of ETH increases, the yield generated by EUSD holders may also rise. Zero mint and loan costs. Lybra Finance stands out from other stablecoin protocols by offering zero minting fee and zero loan interest for users, which is the reason why Luna collapsed the way that it did. So, you know, there are obviously going to be protocols that saw the mistakes of Luna and then to use that to their advantage to make their protocol successful. People trying to get into my IP, guys. This is why you need antiviruses and VPNs. This feature allows users to leverage their ETH holdings and mint EUSD stablecoins without incurring any additional costs. Lybra DAO serves as a backbone of Lybra Finance's decision-making process. Lybra DAO will be governed by the LBR token holders who have the power to influence the direction of the project. This project right here is the Lybra DAO, and the community-driven approach helps to ensure Lybra Finance project remains true to its decentralization nature. You hold EUSD and receive yield. You mint EUSD and earn LBR, stake LBR and share protocol revenue, and then you have LP rewards. So like I said, this is an altcoin. This is a fleshed out DeFi altcoin with EUSD. I should have brought it earlier because I saw it in a bunch of groups, but I didn't think it would perform this well, guys. So my apologies for that. But we're still covering it on the channel because it has the potential to go to, you know, absolutely crush it even further into the future. EUSD is the first interest-bearing omni-chain stablecoin backed by LSD, 1-to-1 hard pegged, zero mint and loan fee, 8% base APY, 10.3k followers on Twitter. They have $100 million in TVL of STETH locked up. So this is like Lido. I know a lot of people know about Lido Finance or Lido DAO. I'm not sure if it's a DAO, but you know the project Lido, that is a another LSD project. So Lybra Finance has $100 million in TVL. This is better than a lot of like layer 1 blockchains, guys. This is amazing stuff. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, that's super bullish for this project. Have updates constantly on Twitter. You love to see it. Lybra crushing it on the charts when it comes to LSD inflows. People were talking about, you know, LSD being the next trend of crypto after AI and ZK. So right here we have an LSD project crushing it, and the charts don't lie. It is absolutely exploding, and because it's being used so much, it is getting reflected in the chart. They recently had a partnership right here with Halls of Olympia as well, and yeah, the team $40 million plus in EUSD minted. The team is crushing it. Bunch of tweets, community very engaged, and crazy milestones like $100 million in TVL. That's super bullish, guys. The more TVL a project has, the more it has that stability to be a huge platform, a huge brand, a huge project in the space, right? So right here, the LBR chart. Not sure which day I saw it, but I'm sure I saw it. I'm sure I saw it someday here or so, someday back here. Right now it's sitting at $18.5 million in market cap, but the trend is your friend. It could keep going from here, man. We saw what Pepe did, man. A lot of people saw Pepe. Pepe was ranging in the $80 million to $100 million range for a minute, then absolutely exploded. Even though this project is at $18.5 million in market cap, I'm sure like it could keep going and keep crushing it from here. Now obviously nothing is guaranteed. It could people could, you know, start to take profits and start getting out of the project, and it retraces back down. So DCA, see what happens, right? DCA, $12.5 million in 24-hour trade volume. Insane. Does it have any exchange listings? Hold on, I gotta check and see. Let me check and see, guys. Hold on. No exchange listings yet. Dang. Oh my gosh. So this is just volume from the DEX. Okay, if this is just volume from the DEX, imagine when it starts to get exchange listings, right? Exchanges love high volume. $12.5 million in volume for LBR means more exchange listings will happen in the future. Means exchange listings, because none of them has happened yet. So if you got some ETH, you go to Uniswap and you could pick up some LBR here. Always manage your risk, never invest more than you're willing to lose. But the project is super bullish in my opinion. You can see the chart. The trend is your friend. The chart doesn't lie. It doesn't lie. I don't see much other people talking about it because it doesn't have any exchange listings yet, but it is an altcoin, guys. This is an altcoin. It's not a meme coin. It has $100 million in TVL, okay? I could name 3 layer 1 projects that claim to be layer 1s that don't have that TVL yet and go to DeFi Llama and show you. So super bullish stuff. If you hold LBR, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything about LBR and myself will be in the description. Also, become a patron. This is where I post all of my info first. You also get early access to a Discord. I'll be looking into pre-sales as well. As a community, we could come together and find these projects together, guys. So become a patron, support the channel. Everything is posted on the Patreon first. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.